Hello, dear friends, and welcome to another episode of The Gospel Happiness. I hope you're doing well today. Thank you so much for joining us and for being part of this growing community. Your presence here means more than words can express. Whether you're a long-time subscriber or tuning in for the first time, we're grateful for your time and support. At The Gospel Happiness, our mission is simple: where faith is strengthened, hope is restored, and lives are transformed. We're here to walk with you on your faith journey, sharing stories and messages that uplift and inspire. Before we begin, I want to sincerely thank you for your encouragement and prayers. Your support helps us continue spreading the good news to those who need it most. Here at The Gospel Happiness, we believe that every act of kindness, every word of encouragement, and every prayer can make a difference. If you feel led, we invite you to support our mission through donations. Your generosity helps us reach the unreached, bringing hope and the message of Jesus to hearts around the world. No gift is too small, and every contribution is a seed sown into God's kingdom. Thank you for considering partnering with us in this vital work. Now, let's transition into today's message, a story that beautifully illustrates the power of kindness and faith. Today's message is titled, "One Act of Kindness Changed His Life Forever." Imagine a moment when a simple gesture, perhaps a smile, a helping hand, or a listening ear, becomes the turning point in someone's life. In the Gospel, we see countless examples of Jesus showing compassion to those in need. His love was practical, personal, and powerful. Our story today is about a man whose life was forever changed by a single act of kindness. It's a reminder that God often works through ordinary people, using small acts to accomplish extraordinary things. Let's step into the shoes of a man who felt invisible, weighed down by life's burdens and disappointments. He walked through each day feeling unnoticed and unloved, his heart longing for hope. Maybe you've felt that way too, wondering if anyone cares or if things will ever change. In his darkest moment, when he was about to give up, someone reached out with a simple act of kindness. It wasn't grand or dramatic, but it was sincere. That moment became a spark, igniting hope where there was none. God often meets us in our lowest places, sending help through the hands of others. That one act, a warm meal, a caring word, a gentle smile, became the beginning of transformation. The man felt seen, valued, and loved for the first time in years. The Bible teaches us in Ephesians 4:32, "Be kind and compassionate to one another, forgiving each other, just as in Christ God forgave you." Kindness is a reflection of God's heart. It breaks down walls, heals wounds, and opens doors to new beginnings. When we choose kindness, we become vessels of God's love, carrying His light into the darkest places. As the days passed, that single act of kindness grew into a relationship. The man began to believe that change was possible. He opened his heart to God, discovering faith and hope he thought he'd lost forever. The kindness he received became a testimony, a living story of God's grace and mercy. In 2 Corinthians 5:17, we're reminded, "If anyone is in Christ, he is a new creation. The old has gone, the new has come." Through kindness, God restores what was broken and brings forth new life. Take a moment to reflect. Has someone's kindness ever changed your life? Or is God calling you to be that person for someone else? Sometimes the smallest gestures have the greatest impact. Ask God to open your eyes to opportunities to serve, encourage, and love those around you. Remember, you may never know how deeply your kindness can touch a heart or change a life. Let's be intentional in our compassion, trusting that God will use our efforts for His glory. No matter what you're facing today, remember that God sees you, loves you, and is working on your behalf. Stay strong in faith, hold on to hope, and never underestimate the power of a single act of kindness. The world needs more light, more love, and more people willing to make a difference. You are called, chosen, and equipped to be that difference. Let your life be a testimony of God's goodness and grace. Thank you for spending this time with us today. If this message touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe to the Gospel Happiness. Your support helps us reach more people, transform more lives, and continue spreading faith, hope, and love around the world. If you feel led, consider supporting our mission. Every gift helps us bring the good news to those who need it most. May God bless you abundantly, strengthen your faith, restore your hope, and use you to inspire others. Until next time, stay encouraged and keep shining His light. See you in our next video. Bye for now.